it's time to show a little bit of love and appreciation as we head towards the end of this series of video clips. Now, there's a little bit of a functionality here at the bottom of the canvas that people sometimes forget to use or implement during their activities in Mural. And this is the actual showing of emotions or just indicating how you feel about certain things. And I would actually encourage you as a facilitator to prompt people to actually go and use these. And how they work, these emotions, is just if I agree with something or I want to show a little bit of love or celebrate, I can click on that. And this functionality is available to any of the collaborators in the canvas. Being a visitor or a member, people can interact or show their appreciation to each other by using these emojis over here. However, as a facilitator, you have a little bit of extra functionality. So if I go over here, you'll see that I have this element here called celebration. And yes, we've been accused of using the celebration feature a little bit too much in Mural, but I really encourage you to, at the end of an activity or a strenuous work session, just to click on the celebration, just to show appreciation to everybody who has participated in this, and also a little bit of appreciation from me to you for watching all these video clips.